Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix new offline game controllers is not working guys. First solution is open up the Steam, then just click on the new art game, then just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties, and on the left hand side just click on the controllers, and here you'll see the override controller setting and choose here the disable Steam input. Once you select it, now just launch the game, then check if your controller is still not working, then just go to the properties again, go to the controllers again and choose the enable Steam input. Now launch the game, then check. Still controller is not working, then just choose the use default setting and just close it. Now the first solution is check connection. Make sure your controller is securely connected. For wired controllers, ensure the USB is properly plugged in. For wireless controller, ensure they are charged and pair correctly with your PC. The second solution is update drivers. So just open up the device manager and look for the human interface devices or universal serial bus controllers. Right click and just update driver and then restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. For Xbox, use the Xbox accessories app to update and configure setting. PlayStation, consider using DS for Windows for DualShock 4 controllers. The third solution is configure controller settings in Steam. If you are using Steam, so just go to the setting, go to the controller, general controller setting and enable the necessary configuration settings. This is essential for proper recognition of the controllers. And the next solution is use big picture mode in Steam. The fifth solution is check for conflicting software. Ensure there is no other software is conflicting with your controllers. Sixth solution is change USB port. Sometimes simply switching USB port can resolve connection issues. Now try all of the solution and hope one of these fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye and take care.